Sinanggar tulo tulo atulo, sinanggar tulo tulo atulo, sinanggar tulo tulo atulo, sinanggar tulo atulo, sinanggar tulo atulo. Saya Anggiat Matong Tong Horas Jalasonang. Hello everyone. Today I'm standing here. I want to tell you a famous legend from North Sumatra, Indonesia. It's the story of Lake Toba, the largest lake in Southeast Asia. But more than just a lake, it holds a magical story. Long time ago, there lived a young man named Toba in a small village nestled in the mountains of North Sumatra. He was a hardworking farmer who lived alone. Every day, Toba toiled in his field. Although he lived a simple life, but he was always grateful. One day, Toba decided to go fishing in the river after a long time. He sat for hours, but still hadn't caught a single fish. Oh, I feel so bored. There has no fish for a while. I want to go home. Suddenly, he felt a strong pull on his fishing line. With all his strength, Toba reeled it in, and to his astonishment, he saw a large golden scaled carp glimmering beautifully. Toba was excited, but something strange happened. As soon as he placed the fish in his basket, it suddenly transformed into a beautiful woman. Toba was surprised and asked her, Who are you? You a fish?
Hello, Mr. Toba. I'm a cursed princess from an underwater kingdom. Thank you for saving me.
Toba was very, very happy. In his heart, Toba said, Oh, she is very beautiful. She is definitely suitable to be my wife. I have to marry her. Turns out that woman can read Toba's mind and answered him.
Mr. Toba, I will become your wife, but on one condition. You must never tell anyone that I was once a fish.
Toba, enchanted by her beauty, and agreed the condition, eventually married the woman. And they lived happily as husband and wife, and were later blessed with a son, whom they named Samosir. However, as time went by, Samosir grew up to be a mischievous child. He ate a lot and often lazy. One day, his mother asked Samosir to bring lunch to his father in the field.
Son, wake up! Come here! Son, wake up now! Come here!
Mom, I'm so tired. I'm very lazy today. I want to go sleep again.
Samosir, don't be lazy. Bring this lunch for your father in the field. It's time to lunch. He must feel hungry and tired.
Okay, Mom. But on his way, Samosir ate the food because he felt hungry. He arrived late in the field and gave his father an empty container. Hey, Samosir, where are you from? I'm waiting you in a long time. I feel hungry now. I'm sorry, father. Huh? Where my food, fish child? Test! I'm sorry, father. I'm so sorry. You ate my food. I was hungry. I'm working from morning. And you ate my food. Fish child! I'm sorry. Hearing this word, Samosir began to cry and ran home to his mother. Mother!
Samosir, what's happened?
Father said that I was the son of a fish. It is right, Mom. When the mother learned that Toba had broken his promise, she was heartbroken. She told her son to run to the highest hill as something terrible was about to happen.
Son, run to the highest hill now.
Huh? What's happened, Mom? I feel scared.
Someone's here. Run now. Run to the highest hill, okay?
Okay, Mom. After that, Samu's mother jumped into the river and turned back into a fish. Shortly after, a great earthquake shook the land. The sky turned dark and lightning flashed. Bang, bang, bang! And heavy rain fell. Water gushed out from the ground and filled the valley where their village once stood. In a short time, the valley turned into a vast lake, and that lake became known as Lake Toba. And the small island in the center of the lake was named Samosir Island in honor of their son. Okay, moral of the story is we must keeping our promises and upholding trust. Okay, that's all I can tell you in this good opportunity. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a nice day and goodbye.